your hands, everybody!
Big Texas Breaks.
Cause I'm Curtis Blow, and I want you to know that these are the breaks!
May I have your attention, please?
ATB. ATB.
Good evening and welcome to tonight's festivities. Live.
What you are about to witness is real.
This is not a dream.
What up, everybody? BTB here doing NT Baseball Case Break. If you bought a spot, you got a random team or combo. Teams were randomized in the previous video. There they are right there. I'm going to go ahead and leave them up. We'll switch over to the full view here in a little bit. Like I said, good luck, everyone. A lot of sick stuff been being pulled out of these cases, man. A lot of sick stuff being pulled out of the cases. So what do y'all think about the August giveaway? Y'all like that? Y'all don't like that? I'm thinking about adding some stuff as we go through the month. Let me know what y'all think about it. I mean, is it a good thing, bad thing? What do y'all think, man? I mean, that's about a $500 card plus. Cracked ice, man, you know. It's hard to get stuff like that graded. I might do that too, man. I might do that too. You know, like I said, it's the first of many. And like I said, I'm not done. I might add more stuff to it. You never know. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. NT Baseball. Empty box. And Colin McHugh for the Astros. Manriquez. Manriquez on the board first, number to 99, Colin McHugh. Where's Sissy at? Sissy done left me, didn't he? Manriquez. Yasiel Puig, 7 of 10 for the Dodgers, Mr. Gus. Number 7 of 10, Bat Relic. What's up, Janora? How you doing, man? Leonard, I sent your stuff yesterday, man. Dodgers. That's going to be Gus. Rob Bresnahan, New York Giants. That's going to be San Francisco. Bat Relic. Who's got San Francisco? DeAndre. They're not shitty, man. They've got history. Watch. Just watch. You doubt me, man. Weeks. You have the Phillies and the D-backs. Phillies and the D-backs. There you go. Boomtown. Game used. Stephen Piscotty for the Cardinals. Going out to Sissy. Sissy with the Boomtown. All rise. There you go. 9 of 15. Nice. Nice. What's up, Akva? How you doing, man? How you doing, Akva? Oh. Piscotty, game used. This is nasty, dude. Michael Reed for the Brewers. On card, number to 49. That's dirty, dude. Gus. Number to 49, man. Look at the patch on that, Gus. What we got next? Edwin Encarnacion for the Toronto Blue Jays. Toronto going to Matt McCullough. Number to 49. On card. Signatures. Well, that wasn't a Padre, bro. That was a Brewers. Milwaukee. That's Gus. Look at this one. Jason Hayward for the Cubs. Number to 25. Gold ink. Number to 25. Gold ink. Cubs. Who's got the Cubs? John Haley, man. Pinstripe relic. Mr. Haley. Don't forget, all these spots are entered into the August giveaway. Boomtown, number to 49, Pete Rose. Talk shit now, son. Talk shit now. Talking, oh, you done cut me off. You was ready to disown me and shit. Pete Rose. Man, I ain't gonna lie. This dude got murdered in Chicago, man. That's a nice one, man. That's gonna get some cam time, dog. And last, number to 15 for the Rockies, Trevor Story, jumbo bat relic. Colorado, Paul G in Italy. Trevor Story, number 2 of 15. 2 of 15. And that's box number 1. Nice start to the case so far, man. Am I out the doghouse now, sissy? Am I out of the doghouse? Will you please that picks away to where we got there? What are you talking about? Sissy? I'm not following you. Travis, you have the D-backs and the Philadelphia Phillies. This is a nice box right here. Travis, D-backs and Philly. Such a hater on Linda Blair, man. What's wrong with Linda Blair, man? You don't like her or what? Number to 99, Adrian Beltre. He got his 3,000 hit for the Rangers. Rangers. Paul G from Italy. Wow, the Boomtowns you're hitting. Number to 99, Mookie Betts for the Red Sox. Paul G out of Italy. Number to 99, Johnny Bench, Reds. Sissy. This is a little boom, right? Sissy. Johnny Bench, number to 99. Trevor Story, number to 49 for Colorado again. Paul G from Middle League, big old battle relic, 18 of 49. Purple. What up, Jim? How's everything going, man? Hey, everybody. Y'all do me a favor, bro. And Jim, I know you don't want this stuff like it. Everybody give their thoughts and prayers to Jim, dude. I'm not telling you why. Just everybody give Jim a little bit of love, man. Give Jim a little bit of love. Y'all do me that favor, man. National treasures for the D-bag, Zach Godley. Travis Weeks. Look at that nice patch on there, man. Travis Weeks. There we go. Zach Godley, man. And Peter O'Brien, number 25 for Arizona. 17 of 25, Arizona. Travis Weeks again, 17 of 25. On card. See a bat now. We got a Pete Rose. Hey, we always say the best for last, Bento. You never know, man. Michael Taylor for the Nationals, going out to Paul G from Italy. $53.99. For the Twins, Miguel Sano. For Jeff R, man. Jeff R, man. Hit that heart button, y'all. Hit that heart button for me real quick. I want to see them hearts flying. And number 12 of 25, Rod Carew. Nice right there, dude. Rod Carew for the Angels. Scott Charo Beans. 12 of 25. Angels. Book relic book. Sir Rodney. That's box number 2. Alright, number 3. Something tells me to do this one last. I'm going to switch it up a little bit. Haha! Noise. Here we go. I'm surgical with this knife, man. Good luck. What do y'all want me to add next on the August giveaway if I get to where I can add another one? Y'all want basketball or football? I mean basketball, baseball, or football? These. Look at that nice patch on that Mets. Sims. Gary Carter. 4 of 10, Gary Carter. Was on that 86 team that smashed my Astros. Nice patch right there. That's going to be game used. Josh Donaldson for the Blue Jays. Matt M. Donaldson, number 49. Don't forget tomorrow we got that 2-box Pantheon and Immaculate Collegiate, both out of sealed cases. Look at this one. Reggie Jackson for the A's. 9 of 99. Reggie Jackson. Oakland A's. That's going to be Jeff R. Game used. Reggie Jackson. Reggie Jackson. No shit, it is. Nice. Jersey number 2. 9 of 99. Reggie. Nice catch there, Sissy. Ross Stripling for the Dodgers. Gus. Yes, sir. What's up, Mr. Weber? How's Disney World going, man? Look like you're having a blast out there, bro. For the Dodgers. Ooh, Trace Thompson. Look at this patch on this one, man. Dodgers, Trace Thompson. That's going to be Gus again. Uh-oh. You getting your tan on? Trace Thompson. Yohan Lopez, number 99 for the D-backs again. Weeks. Weeks is doing well off of a filler too, man. Ha 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 ha. Smack her on the ass for you. And then he gets kicked out. Yangervis Solarte for the Yankees, number 99, Bento. Yankees, Bento. There you go, man. You got you one. Yangervis Solarte for the Yankees. That's cool. Game worn, too. Let me do this book first. 10 of 10, Josh Donaldson for Toronto Blues and Matt M. Big old bat relic. 10 of 10. I was sure it was gonna have some ink on it, man. Toronto Blue Jays, Matt M. And number to 99 for the Cardinals, Stan Musial, cut auto. Stan the Man Musial, number to 99, St. Louis, Sissy. Souvenir cuts. Stan the Man Musial. Vets. That's what I'm telling you, man. These older teams, man, they have veteran potential. Nice visual, man. All right, last box. Good luck, everyone. That's what's missing, man. We need some, like, I mean, the Cardinals by far have been doing the best in this break. Empty box. Here we go. Good luck. Texas, Darvish. No longer with Texas. Number 99, Rangers. Going out to Paul G from Italy. Yeah, 2 cuts so far, man. It's been a nice case, man. St. Louis again. Yadier Molina, number to 99. Sissy. Number to 99. Freddie Freeman, 4 of 5. Game used for the Braves. Atlanta on fire on this one. ATL Newville. April 28, 2016. 4 of 5. 4 of 5. That is a nasty patch on there, man. Game used, 428. Is that Memorial or something? Or what is that? No, Memorial's in May. Trey Turner for the Nationals, 6-way relic. Trey Turner, Nationals, Paul G for Middle League. Damn. These cats that got multiple spots are smashing this case, man. Newville. Alex Dixon, number to 49 for the Padres. Padres going out to Manriquez. Number 10 of 49. Alex Dixon, this is purple. Purple. Trey Turner. Who's got the Turner? Paul G from Middle League. I'm sure he's asleep. Alex Dickerson. I'm sorry. Dickerson. Garrett Cole, 49 of 49. eBay 101 for the Pirates. Pirates going out to Sissy, 49 of 49. Shit, they got a nasty one coming up. Number to 99, St. Louis Cardinals, Randall Grichuk. For Sissy. USA card. Garrett Cole is nice. Look at this, 3 of 5. That's nasty, dude. Look at that patch. This card's pregnant, dude. It's sticking up right here. Strasburg Nationals. Paul G out of Italy, 3 of 5. No redemptions at all, Mr. Miller. Strasburg's nasty. 3 of 5. Three of 5. And last but not least, 4 of 10, Paul Goldschmidt. Bam! Paul Goldschmidt. Auto book relic. Auto relic book. D-backs. If you're going to get D-backs, that's the guy you want to hit. Weeks. 4 of 10. 4 of 10. That wasn't a bad case. That was not a bad case at all. Unfortunately, we had a lot of the same teams, but they were good names, you know.